My name is Jennifer Botte. I'm the Director of Clinical Services here at Remington-Davis. I love research. We get to meet all kinds of interesting patients and people. We get to help solve problems, and we get to oftentimes see the outcome, see the actual solutions implemented. So I'm really proud anytime that I see a drug that we helped bring to market that helps people. I have that little pat on the back moment, like, oh yeah, we helped do that. So we've really, over the last 2 years, tried to do a lot more community outreach, participating in festivals and health fairs, just to sort of let people know that we're out here and talk face-to-face with people about what research is, to try to help take away some of the stigma and make it a less scary concept. We do a lot of advertising and social media platforms, but because we've been in business for 32 years, we have a large database of over 17,000 patients that have reached out to us via different methods. When you come to our office, it's very rare that you even have a chance to sit down in our waiting room. I kind of joke that it's the most wasted real estate in our entire office because those chairs are very rarely sat in. We get you right into a room. Somebody's with you pretty much the whole time that you're here. Most study visits last an hour. Most doctor's office visits last 10 to 15 minutes. They're just in and out and check off the boxes. And so we really try to take a more personal, focused approach. Yeah, we have had patients tell us that they learn more about their disease or how to manage their disease, largely because we do put a lot of time into education. A lot of the study protocols actually have a defined educational component. So even if you happen to be in a study where there's a placebo involved, hopefully you are coming out of the study with more information, whether it's lab work, whether it's testing that we did for the study that you now have as part of your portfolio, or maybe you just learned some advice on how to eat better to manage your diabetes, or the amount of exercise that you need to be getting, or maybe even, oh, you're supposed to take that medication in the morning and not at night, and there's a reason for that. We're a small, independent, dedicated site, only focused on research. We're not part of a network. And the way that we've been able to be successful for the last 32 years is we definitively have a can-do attitude. I tell sponsors that we will literally do anything you need us to do as long as it's in the protocol and ethical. Able to be very nimble based upon our size. So our contracts are reviewed within 24 hours of receipt, and they're usually sent back to the sponsor for the negotiation process within 24 to 48 hours. Our regulatory documents are turned around within 2 to 3 business days. We've had trials from award to first patient screened within 9 days. We've had patients that have come to us and they've been in studies elsewhere, and they always comment on the fact that we're fast, we do what we say we're gonna do. We want you to feel like you're part of our family. I want everybody that comes here to be in a study to be treated the same way that I would want my mother to be treated.